You are going to love the 2022 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, touring suspension, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist. Come take a test drive today.